Hey, what's up everybody? Josh Quinones here. So a Samsung Galaxy S10 prototype has been spotted in the wild. As you can see here in this video, it looks like they are testing out maybe some video call using the device. It does look like it has a case on it. I'm guessing they don't want to give away the full look of this device, which is understandable. You know, you don't want to give it all away at once. But yes, this video has been leaked out. Like I said, it looks like they are testing out some video call on it. You can see the full screen display with the hole on the right top corner, giving us a 93.4% screen to body ratio, which is crazy. And what that hole in the top right corner is the front facing camera. Yes, they are not going with the notch on this device, which is awesome. There's just going to be a little hole right at the top for the camera, and I'm guessing maybe they are testing out that camera to see how good the quality is with it being under the display. Now, if you look on the back, you can also see the camera setup. It is horizontal and not vertical. It is horizontal like we have on the Note 9, but notice there is no fingerprint sensor. And there has also been another leak of the Galaxy S10 Plus. It is a dummy model showing us basically the back of the device with the 3 camera setup that is also horizontal and no fingerprint sensor. So yes, if you notice, there is no fingerprint sensor on the back of either of these models, which pretty much confirms the in-display fingerprint sensor. Yes, that has been rumored, that has been leaked out for months now. So it looks like this video is pretty much confirming it. There is going to be an in-display fingerprint sensor, and I'm sure it's going to be one of the best that we are going to get out there. Samsung, when they do something, they go all out, and I'm sure they are going to bring everything to the table with this device. I cannot wait to see it. It is going to be a beast. As the time gets closer and closer to the unveiling of this device, I'm sure more and more leaks are going to come, more hands-on leaks, more full photos of this device. I cannot wait until the phone is finally unveiled. You guys let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. What do you think so far just by watching this video, just by these little leaks that we have right here? What do you think so far of the device? Are you excited for this device? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video. If you did like it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. You guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you all on the next one. Peace out.